So now we're setting up the memory settings on your GMC Yukon. First, get the position that you want for your seat and your steering wheel and your mirrors, as that will all adjust to your setting. Now to set that position, you just hit set and 1, and you'll hear 2 clicks at the end of it. That means that the seat is set to your setting. And you do the same thing if you wanted to set driver 2. And then this third one is easy exit, so if you wanted to back down to whatever's comfortable for you and change up the settings, you'll hit set and that very last one. So now when you hold down 1, it'll go to your desired setting. And then if you wanted to leave the vehicle, your easy exit button, you'd hit this and it'll go to the position you like when you leave the vehicle. So now we're setting the auto memory recall and easy exit automatic setting for your seat. If you do go into the settings on the Yukon, you'll see here as you scroll down, there is vehicle, and then there's comfort and convenience as an option. You'll see here auto memory recall is a second and the easy exit is a third. So to turn it on, you'll hit the on, and to turn it off, you'll hit off, and then easy exit, to hit it off, it's currently off, so you'll just hit this to click it on. Now be sure that your key is set for whatever setting you want to. So driver 1 key to the 1 setting and driver 2 key to the driver 2 setting, otherwise it won't remember that exact position. So to turn off the vibrating seat, you'll go down, you'll see vehicle, you'll go down to collision and detection systems, and you'll see alert type is the very top. So instead of the safety seat alert vibrating, if you just wanted it to be the beeps, then you would just hit beeps. And then as well as your forward collision alert, if you wanted it to alert and brake you, you can just have it alert you, or you can turn it off in general. And the park assist is the same way. Rear cross traffic alert turn off is just right here, and the lane change alert is just right here, so that'll be your blind spot warnings if you did not want them on.